my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing great. I have some updates for you guys, actually 2 updates, but I can't reveal them just now. It's like a surprise. So I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video, the first one, but the second one, it has to be, I'll let you guys know by next week. But as for the first one, just get ready because it's coming and it's gonna be exciting. We are doing a challenge. We're gonna visit every Costco in California. We already been to one in Stockton, and we've been to a couple of others, but we're still gonna go to those just to prove that we've been there. So let's go. Oh, they have golcape. Should we buy this or not? You guys think we buy this?
Yeah.
And the price is a little too much.
Okay.
Got super hungry, so we're gonna make a stop at In-N-Out and then head on to IKEA because we need some furniture. We're just gonna check it out right now and then get it maybe like in a few weeks, but we're just looking around. Of course, the same thing every time because, you know, I keep it halal. I smell straight like onions, which is not good. But good thing I have a cologne in my car so I can spray myself. I'm gonna go get some naans because naans are fire with what we just made. I mean, roti's alright, but naans are naans, man. Naans. Woo! The taste with the naan makes it so much more tasteful. The roti is not all that, but now you can taste every little thing in the the halim. Wow. Even eating it with a spoon is really good, but with the naan it's just different. Maza aa gaya. I thought it was gonna be super spicy, but it's perfect. It's like right in the middle. It just gives you a little buzz. It's perfect. Alright, as I promised, the drawing is a $25 Amazon gift card, but this is what you have to do to enter it. First of all, you have to like any of my videos or vlogs. First thing is to like any of my vlogs on YouTube, of course. Second is to comment, and third is to subscribe. And whoever, because when you like it, I don't really know who liked it. Subscription, most of the time I don't know who's subscribed if you're private. So the best thing is to leave a comment, whatever you want to say. Oh, I don't know, just say something regarding the video, regarding me, something, whatever, blah blah blah. That's how you enter, and then next week I'm gonna announce the winner. All right, got it? All right, good luck.